10 years of this with you guys. It's really starting to get...
So longer, Sarah and Maureen were on a rec team.
Yeah.
That blue team with Coach Tom, right?
Yep. It's been, you know, like...
Please, I'm going to be going through the pictures and just sobbing for the next 3 days.
It's been a great experience. And I'm glad Maureen got to finish.
Yeah.
You know? When she heard Bree got hurt, she didn't hesitate.